Hello birds, welcome to Technical Coding channel. In this video we are going to make smart irrigation system. So let's begin. In this project we will be requiring Arduino board, a liquid crystal LCD and a soil moisture sensor. I have written some basic things in the code. So now let's start with the loop where our soil moisture sensor pin. So int s1 equals to as our soil moisture sensor is an analog sensor, so we declare it in our void loop. I have already fetched out my sensor value for different soils. If you want to fetch out the values, I have given a code in the description. You can check it. If our sensor value is greater than or equals to 1000, then on the LCD a message should be printed that our sensor is not in the soil. So we write lcd.set cursor 0 0. This will set our LCD cursor to the first line of the first column. Then we write lcd.print, in which we write soil status. Then in the second line we write lcd.set cursor. This will set our cursor to the second line 0, 1. Then lcd.print not in soil. So whenever our sensor is not in the soil, this message should be printed on our LCD. Then the second comes, if our sensor value is less than 1000 and also the sensor value is greater than or equals to 800, then on our LCD a message should be printed that our soil is dry. So lcd.set cursor to 0, 0. Then lcd.print soil status. Then lcd.set cursor to 0, 1. And lcd.print dry. This if condition will show that if our sensor value is less than 1000 and also our sensor value is greater than 800, then it indicates that the soil is dry. Then the next if condition comes that when our sensor value is less than 800 and also the sensor value is greater than or equals to 370, then it should print that the soil is humid we can write humid. And the last if condition comes that if our sensor value is less than 370, then the sensor indicates that there is a lot of water present in the soil. So we have to declare a message called water logging. Here our program gets over. So now we are going to verify our program. It may take some time. As you can see, there is no error. So now we can upload this code to our board. You can pause this video and see the circuit diagram. Our code to our board. Before uploading, you must remember that you select the right port and then only you upload. As you can see, our code has uploaded successfully. So now let's check the output. Here I have taken a humid soil, so on the LCD it is showing humid. If you have any doubt or getting any error, you can comment down and I will give you the solution. All the code links are provided in the description box. You can check it out. Like this video, please hit like, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.